All right, folks, brace yourselves. Today, I'm diving into a topic that might just shake up our understanding of safe alternatives to traditional plastics. We've all heard that starch-based biodegradable plastics are better for the environment, right? But is that the whole story? Let's find out. A recent study published in the reveals some unsettling news about these plant-based plastics. Researchers exposed mice to low and high doses of starch-based microplastics over 3 months. The doses were scaled to represent what humans might consume daily. Now, here's the kicker. The mice in the high-dose group showed significant organ damage. We're talking liver and ovary damage, disrupted glucose management, and even imbalances in their biological rhythms. But that's not all. Even the low-dose group wasn't spared. These microplastics found their way into the body through contaminated water and food, causing metabolic issues and affecting the gut microbiome. And these health risks are not just theoretical. Microplastics have been linked to inflammatory bowel disease and other inflammatory conditions. The study was funded by several prominent Chinese institutions, including the Natural Science Foundation of China and the Jiangsu Province Young Science and Technology Talent Support Program. This backing underscores the significance and credibility of the research. The findings raise a crucial question. How safe are these plant-based plastics really? We've been led to believe they're the eco-friendly choice, but if they're causing such harm to living organisms, it's time to rethink our stance. Further research is essential to understand how these microplastics break down in the body and their long-term effects. This study is just the beginning, shedding light on an issue we can't afford to ignore. So, next time you reach for that biodegradable plastic product thinking it's the safer option, remember, the science is still unfolding. Stay informed, stay curious, and let's push for more research to ensure our eco-friendly choices don't come with hidden costs. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest environmental news. Until next time, stay green and stay informed.